limits are derivative to some. So 17th question is limit x tends to 0 cos 2x minus 1 by cos x minus 1. Cos 2x minus 1 by cos x minus 1. Actually, you are having limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. Limit x tends to sin x by x. So that mainly formula you need to use here. But you are having cos 2x minus 1. So cos 2x minus 1 can be written as 1 minus cos 2x minus of 1 minus cos 2x. Minus of 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x. Very good. 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x is, do remember, it always is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. This can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square x here, 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x. Or you can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1 also. So here you are going to get 2 cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x. Suppose somewhere if you are having plus, then you need to write it as a 2 cos square x. Here you are having minus. So first you take the minus common and both numerator and denominator and you write it as a, or you can write directly minus 2 sin square x in the numerator. Can you write? You can write it as a minus 2 sin square x. So this is minus 2 sin square x by minus 2 sin square x by 2. Sin square x by sin square x by 2. So this minus and minus and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So limit x tends to 0 sin square x by sin square x by 2. How do you reform this one into the form of sin x by x? In the numerator and denominator, what to be taken into consideration? Here, by x square you take into consider, multiply the x square and divide the x square. So this can be taken limit x tends to 0 sin square x by x square into x square by limit x tends to 0 sin square x by 2 by x by 2 whole square into x by 2 whole square. And multiplying and dividing in the numerator with the x square. Here x square multiply divide. Here x by 2 whole square, here x by 2 whole square multiplied and divided. Why? Because we need to have in the form of the sin x by x form. So as x tends to 0, implies x by 2 also tends to 0. Isn't it? X tends to 0, x by 2 tends to 0. So in the numerator, whenever you are simplifying this, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole square you can write. Yes, sin x by x whole square and into x square by either limit x tends to 0 can be changed to limit x by 2 tends to 0. So limit x by 2 tends to 0. Here also sin x by 2 by x by 2 whole square. And here x square by 4. This x square will get cancelled, 4 will go to the numerator. So then what we are going to get the final answer. This is 1 square into 4 by in the denominator also 1 square. Because the reason is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. Here sin x by x, here sin x by 2 by x by 1. What is needed to us that you need to multiply and divide only. That's all. Okay? Then what do you get here which is equals to? Okay? You can do it in multiple ways, different ways you can do it. This is not only that you need to do it this way. Okay? The final answer in any way if you are doing, then you are going to get it as a 1.
So if you do rationalization first.
Rationalization. Actually, rationalization terminology is not at all correct because you cannot say that the denominator is a rational number. Just multiplying the 1 plus cos x in the numerator and denominator, you are saying in the numerator and denominator are cos x plus 1. So what do you get here? 1 plus cos x. Length हो जाएगा. I think so. Try in case. Okay. Next question is 18th one. Limit x tends to 0. Ax plus x cos x by b sin x. Limit x tends to 0. Ax plus x cos x by b sin x. Not visible to me. Ax plus x cos x by b sin x. So x को कॉमन लेना और वो x को नीचे लेके and we are having the sin x by x common. Yes, limit x tends to 0. Take the x common. A plus cos x होगा by b sin x. ये x नीचे आ सकते हैं. So limit x tends to 0. A plus cos x by limit x tends to 0 b. So b I am writing outside sin x by x. For constant. This x is denominator by x. Okay. Then by x. The numerator directly substitute x equal to 0. So a plus cos 0 by b 1. A cos 0 1 हो जाएगा. A plus cos 0. Simple.
सर अगर तो लिमिट x tends to 0 के बाद a भी तो सर एक कांस्टेंट नंबर है ना.
हाँ ये इंडिविजुअली ले लो. हाँ then what? You can you write it down? हाँ how?
Limit x tends to 0 a plus limit x tends to 0.
Same way. If you write here this one as limit x tends to 0 a plus limit x tends to 0 cos x. ये कांस्टेंट है तो ये
वेरिएबल बाहर आ जाएगा.
Same a plus 1 ही हो जाएगा. Here why I have written outside? Because we are using this formula. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. That's why better you write it outside. Or if you want here sin bx if it is given, in case sin bx is given, bx से divide करो, bx multiply करो. And as x tends to 0, then bx tends to 0. Then you are right. Okay. So next question is 19th one. Limit x secant x. It is very simple. Direct substitution. X secant x. What do you get? 0. Because x 0, secant 0 is 1. Secant 0 is 1. 0 into 1 is 0. So limit x tends to 0. X secant x value is equals to 0. Okay. So 20th question you see that something it is different here. So the question is given limit x tends to 0. Text book देखो लाइट है. Limit x tends to 0. 20th. 20. 20th. Sin ax plus bx by ax plus sin bx. What to do? It is not that much difficult. individually sin x tends to 0, you take it to the separately parts. Sin ax को ले लो and bx को ले लो, and here ax को ले लो, here bx को ले लो, and you multiply whenever you are taking into consider ax multiply and divide. This is equals to
So question so इधर बाद में a comma b
a comma b comma a plus b not equals to 0. A is not a 0, b is not a 0, the sum of a and b is also not a 0. It is given that here a, b, a plus b are not zeros. So limit x tends to 0 can be taken individually as you said like this. So limit x tends to 0 ax plus limit x tends to 0 sin bx. So ये substitute करेगा तो x equal to 0 0 हो जाएगा. To do this one, ax denominator में होना है. ax multiply and divide. In the numerator ax हो जाएगा. Here ये 0 हो जाएगा. Here numerator denominator में bx multiply करो. If the xx will get cancelled. And a by b, the final answer is a by b. समझ में आया? If I say like this.
sir
See here. Limit x tends to 0. Sin ax by ax into ax. ये तो प्लस 0 हो गया. 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर. लिमिट ये भी 0 हो गया. प्लस लिमिट x tends to 0. Sin bx by dx into dx.
go ahead sir
तो ये if you are taking this one ax outside देखो and limit x tends to 0 ax tends to 0 ax tends to 0 sin ax by ax by ये bx first लिखो limit bx tends to 0 sin bx by dx. Here in the brackets you write as x tends to 0 equals ax also tends to 0, bx also tends to 0. Then what do you get here? This xx will take care. And you may get doubt here actually. Sir, as x is there, you can take the limit x tends to 0 here also. And the 0 here you can substitute. Then you are going to get 0 by 0 now in that situation. Indeterminate form. To avoid indeterminate form only, what is making it as a indeterminate that we are cancelling that part we are cancelling. So it's cancel करते हैं. ये क्या होगा? A into 1 by B into 1, which is equals to 8. Mostly all the problems will be like this only. At 21st problem you see that 22nd. 21st is limit x tends to 0 cosec x minus cot x. What is cosec x minus cot x? Cosec x minus cot x. Cosec square x minus cot square x. Not I am asking. Cosec x tends to 0. Cosec 0 what? 0. It is undefined. Cosec 0 is undefined. And cot 0 is also undefined. So undefined here. So in this situation, what to do? What if you write as a 1 by sec x by cos x by sin x? So how can you write here? 1 minus cos x by sin x. What to do now?
Sir, so 1 plus cos x equal to c into 1 plus cos x equal to c into 1.
Then what do you get?
So 1 minus cos square x plus sin square x. तो नीचे sin x तो sin x निकल जाएगा sin x.
Sin x instead of that, first already we have solved the one problem. 1 minus cos x. You can do if you are doing this is normal simplification of trigonometry in the 10th class. What you do? Whenever you come across 1 minus cos x by sin x problem, you usually will multiply the 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x in the numerator and denominator. But what changes is going to be done with the help of this that you need to keep in your mind. The a sin square x होगा, this by this cancel होगा, then sin x by 1 plus cos x होगा. Then what can you do? Then what can you do? See, this is simplification. Here, in the previously, you have solved that, prove that 1 minus cos x by sin x equal to sin x by 1 plus cos x is given to you. Then you will do like this. Trigonometry whenever normally. But our intention is to convert everything into the sine, because better you convert into the sine. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. You write this one as huh? We have to do, yeah, last one is a 9. 1 by 4 I think so. Okay. Because 2 sin square x in the numerator, 2 sin square x by 2. See, 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x. Now numerator and denominator separate here. 2 here. Limit x tends to 0. Sin square x by 2 by x by 2 whole square into x by 2. वो 0 हो जाएगा, x आ रहा है ना, हाँ 0 हो जाएगा. Yes. You are converting, yes, that is also right. If you are making it into like this, yes, that is also right. In both the ways 0 you get. That's why I said for one problem, multiple ways with it. As we did in the previous, with extends to 0 sin x by either 0 by, but here 0 हो गया, 0 by 0.
1 minus 0.
If you are taking here,
1 plus cos x.
we are having 1 plus cos x.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But here also in the same way 0 you get. This is the way if you are doing. How do you get 0? X by 2 whole square. Then here limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into x. So here x square by 4 is there. This you are going to get present. Here x by 2. So x will be remains. So this is 2 here. Limit x tends to 0. X by 2 tends to 0. Sin x by 2 by x by 2 whole square into x square by 4. And here also you are going to have the limit x tends to 0. By ये तो 1 हो जाएगा and denominator में 1 है तो that x है, this x and x square will get cancelled. So then now this is equals to 1. So 2 into 1 into limit x tends to 0 x by 4. So this is 0. So this is equals to 0. Previous one only is when you are converting it is easy. If you can write here this one as a 1 minus cos x. From here, if you take limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by sin x is given to you. For this 1 plus cos x multiplied and divided. Yes, you can do it. Then you are going to get the sin x by 1 plus cos x. ये पता है ना? You can do it. हाँ? Sin square x by sin x into 1 plus cos x. Square is 0. In both the ways, the same answer we have. Okay. Next question is 22nd one. X tends to pi by 2 is given and tan 2x.
सर एक तरीके से कर सकते हैं सर.
हाँ?
सर हम pi minus x minus pi by 2 को हम
हाँ.
डेरिवेट करते हैं.
हाँ. Yes. No need to consider it as another variable. You can keep
Also
it.
radian में convert करो.
Huh?
Radian.
No need. Why do you convert into the radian? It is already pi by 2. It is not at all said to you that degrees and radians. Can you do it? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x also equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x also equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is also equals to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is also equals to 1. And limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is also equals to 1. How? If you consider this one, this can be written as limit x tends to 0, sin x by cos x by 1 by x. Can I write like this? Then this can be written as limit x tends to 0, sin x by x into limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos x. This is also just one only I am showing you. With the help of that easily you can do this problem. Limit x tends to 0. This is equals to 1 and then substitute 0 here. 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 will be 1. So 1. 1 into 1. 1. So that means you can remember this also as a formula. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x by x is also equals to 1. If you use this one, the problem number 22, tan 2x, limit x tends to pi by 2, tan 2x by x minus pi by 2. How can you write this?
Sir,
Here you can write it as a limit x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. X tends to pi by 2 means, can you write? Huh? In the same way, but instead of considering it as another variable, directly I am writing here. So what you can write here? You need to have the tan in the numerator x minus pi by 2. Actually, you need to have this one. Isn't it? If you are having this one, it is equals to 1. But we are not having in the numerator tan x minus pi by 2. Tan x minus pi by 2 is not there. So, if you are not having like that, to convert into that form, back converts आना है. Suppose if you are not getting idea, ये हमको चाहिए, तो इससे हम लोग क्या आएगा? Tan 2x minus 5 by 2. What you can write here? Tan 2x minus 5 by 2. So if you are like this from the back onwards, you need to think so that you will get an idea. We need actually 5 minus x by 2. From that, will you get a tan 2x? Tan 2x, will you get it from that anyway? No. So we will not get it. Will you get it? No. So here otherwise you may have in the denominator में whatever you are having, you slightly you change it 2x minus pi. X tends to pi by 2. X tends to pi by 2. It is given. Then x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 हो सकता है. And apart from that, what can be possible to have? Wait. Devya, what you are thinking? समझ में नहीं आया? हाँ?
Yeah, give me some meaning.
What I am saying means here denominator में 2x minus 5 by 2 is there.
Yes.
Either can you write here this one in the form of the 2x minus 5? That also you have to think. This is one idea I am giving to you. Not directly, I am not explaining the problem to you. Problem का मैं solution नहीं बता रहा हूँ. और idea कैसे आना है? How do you get the idea of this problem in the examination hall whenever you see that? These are the ways to think. So now if you are thinking that if you proceed, if you are having this one, limit x tends to x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 if you are having, this is equals to what you are going to get it. It doesn't matter. But wherever you are having this one, you need to have in the numerator this one. And numerator में वो होना है तो tan 2x, how do you get it? Can you transform this one into that form? No, we cannot transform. So if you can you transform this one into the 2x minus 5? You think about it. Tan 2x by 2x minus 5 by 2. By 2. So O1 by 2 separate. Now tan 2x either 2x minus 5. So 2x can be written as tan pi minus 2x. Can you write it as actually what is tan pi minus 2x? Minus tan 2x. Huh? Is it minus tan 2x and tan pi minus 2x? But here whenever you are taking to do the same thing here, minus common label. So you can write this as a minus tan pi minus 2x. Can I write? समझ में आया? Tan 2x I am writing as a
minus 10.
in the denominator what I am writing minus common लेता हूँ pi minus 2x. तो ये minus minus cancel. So we have transformed. See, I can explain to you the problem direct solution. That is not the matter. How whenever you see the new question, how do you get the idea? That is very important. समझ में आया? अब ऐसा check करना है. There is multiple ways. You may have the another idea also. Apart from that, what I am saying to you. So here it is possible to us to make this as a pi minus 2x. So can you write that when x tends to pi by 2? So here this is a key idea for this problem. ये problem के लिए key idea है. So now here, what you can write here as x tends to pi by 2 implies pi minus x by 2 tends to 0 or x minus pi by 2 tends to 0 or 2x minus pi. Can you write it as a 2x minus pi by 2 also tends to 0? Can you write when it is tends to 0? It is also near to 0. So 2x minus pi tends to 0. Now you retransform this one like this. So what you can write here? Limit 2x minus pi tends to 0 and tan 2x can be written as minus tan pi minus 2x. Oh, pi minus 2x because we are writing pi minus 2x. So here also pi minus 2x. By this one can be written as 2x minus pi by 2. Then by 2 in the numerator it goes. And this from this minus you take the code. So limit pi minus 2x tends to 0 minus tan pi minus 2x by minus pi minus 2x into 2. Minus will get the answer. Now this is equals to 1 into 2. Actually getting the key idea is only the different difficult. Okay? Already solved it? Huh? Next, 23 onwards, the problems actually completely different problems. Now here onwards you see.
So here we have to left hand side and right hand
Ha, yes. Left hand limit and right hand limit. So should be taken into consideration here in these situations. Here, 23, question number 23 is f of x is equals to 2x plus 3, x less than or equals to 0. 3 into x plus 1, x greater than 0. Okay, this one problem is right.
There is online.
Yes. Because
Uh,
right.
the online is
Trina and Divya is there. Okay, 2x plus 3, x less than or equal to 0, x greater than. And here asking you to find out limit x tends to 0 and limit x tends to 1 f of x. Both we have to find out. See here, this function is a split function at the 0.
So मतलब हमें पहले लिमिट x tends to 0 लेके ये वाला करना पड़ेगा और फिर
So no, I'll explain it. Whenever the split function is given to you, at what place it is the function is splitting? This is the function it is splitting at the place of 0. So limit extends to 0 whenever it is needed to you to find out. There you need to find out left hand limit and right hand limit. Because for this left hand limit, right hand limit is not necessary. Limit extends to 1. Because
we start as from
left side of 1, the function is the same function. Right side of the 1 is also the same function. So in that situation, directly that function can be taken into consideration. Only limit extends to 0 whenever it is needed to you to find out. You need to find out the left hand limit, that is limit extends to 0 minus f of x. Then in this case, limit extends to 0 minus f of x is nothing but when the value of x is left side 0 but near to 0. Left side 0 near to 0. Left side 0 near to 0 means the function is 2x plus 3. Then in this situation you need to take 2x plus 3. So which is equals to, here minus 0 should not substitute. This meaning is not minus 0. Function decision के लिए we need to take means what is the function when left side of the 0. Left side of what is the meaning of this one? 0 minus is nothing but, so directly 0 only you have to substitute here. So we are going to take it as a 3. And right hand limit whenever you take it to consider, limit extends to 0 plus f of x. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x. 0 for right side, more than 0. The function is 3.
I think it is extends to 1.
Huh?
Extends to 1.
No, two questions are asked. Find limit extends to 0 f of x, limit extends. What is the difference between these two? I have explained. Why do we take, why it is given to you to the two questions, limit extends to 0 and 1. At the place of 0, you need to find out the limit, left hand limit and right hand limit. At the place of 1, it is not needed because left hand limit, right hand limit, whenever you are finding the function, if it is splitting at that place, split function is nothing but like this. It is going to split the function in 2 places, 3 places. Sometimes the question will be given to you x less than 1 and 1 greater than x less than 2 and x is greater than 2. Like this the questions will be greater than x less than or equals to. This is a function split at the 1 or 2 places. So whenever you need to find out, means for this situation one function, here one function will be given to you. F of x is equals to. So whenever a function is given to you like this, at the place of 1 and at the place of 2 places में left hand limit, right hand limit find out. Suppose if it is asking you limit extends to 5, no need to find out the left hand limit, right hand limit. Both you are going to get the same. Here what you get is 3 into 0 plus 1 which is equals to 3. As left hand limit, right hand limit both are equal, therefore you can say that limit extends to 0, f of x is equals to 3. And what about the limit extends to 1 f of x? Limit extends to 1 f of x means,
So 1 is fine.
directly this function you take into consider. Function you have to take limit extends to 1, 3 times of x plus 1. And in this one you have to substitute 1 plus 1, 3 to 6. Okay? So like this, split wherever it is splitting, that is main important, and remaining problems we'll see in the next class. Okay?